What's up, guys? This is Chris from Bees Adventures. So today we're going to look at this Jayco White Hawk, and this is the 26FK. So this is a front kitchen. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you some of the specs here on the side. All right, let's get in the inside and see what this thing's all about. So being FK, this is a front kitchen, and having a front kitchen, I am really, can't get this door open. I am really surprised at how big this front pass-through storage is. It is amazing how big it is for a front kitchen. So we do have the Lippert solid steps here in the front. We got fold-out steps in the back, and that is going to be a rear entry to your bedroom. So let's check out this 26FK. We do have a shock assisted door here, which is something pretty nice. I haven't seen that on a lot. So just as we come in, we have this pantry storage area. There I am. So we got plenty of room in here. And if you wanted to, I believe, yep, you can take that shelf out if you needed to. You got a drawer underneath. And then we'll pan around here. So there's your front kitchen. You got a Furrion 12-volt fridge freezer. This thing's actually got pretty decent amount in here. And there's your freezer. And I just noticed this. What do you guys think? Right there is storage for a picnic table. I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. So there's your microwave storage. You got a 3-burner stove. Plenty of cabinet space underneath. And then look at how big all of this is for your kitchen. Plenty. Plus you got 2 towers here. You got one there with cell phone wireless charging on top. And you got another one on that corner. Of course, you got these windows, and you do have a privacy shade for the front cap. And you got plenty of overhead storage, and that is unobstructed all the way through. The other thing about this one is you get a sunroof. So right now it's closed, and we'll open this up. So now you see how much brighter it is in here. And of course, in our slide, we have this dinette. You got storage underneath the seats, and those poles do come out, so you can put the table down to have extra sleeping area. And you got these Stacy Stewart collection recliners, and I love that these things have these little tables on them. You know, they swivel out of the way, or you can just take them right out, and they just come right out. I don't know, silly things. I like it. So then right across from that, you have the fireplace and your TV. I think this is a pretty nice setup. So let's go back to the bedroom. So back here, we have the bedroom. That's where your other door is. And that door is Lippert thin shade ready. And then you got your wardrobe. That middle shelf there does come out if you want to put a TV in there. And you got all sorts of storage underneath. Nice big window in the back. And we got a queen bed here in the slide out. And you got USB and 110 on the side. And I believe you do have it on both. You do. And let's see how much storage is underneath this guy. So we got plenty of storage underneath as well. I don't think this one is lacking in storage anywhere. So we do have dual entry to the bathroom. So we got our vanity here, little medicine cabinet. Got our corner shower. And then you got maybe a place for a wastebasket. You got hooks for your towels. And you got a little corner cabinet. And you got your toilet there. So again, I think this is a really nice design. And come back out here. So what do y'all think? This is a really nice for a front kitchen, couples trailer. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll talk at you on the next one. Later.